This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x800f0801, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to repair the .NET framework. You can download the latest version from the Microsoft website. The second solution is to clear the contents of the software distribution folder. Go to the solution number 4 of the original article and copy the command line mentioned. Now, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Paste the command line you copied to the elevated command prompt window and hit Enter to execute the commands. The last solution is to run the DISM command. Copy the DISM command from Solution 5 of the original article. Go to the elevated command prompt window once again, paste the command in the elevated command prompt window, and hit Enter to execute it. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.